What is up, Outdoor Office family? Found these lights at Walmart. I'm going to give these a try. Hyper Tough 5000 lumen. It's a 4-foot LED shop light. Obviously it's got 2 rows, hanging chain. It's corded, and I am going to replace that fluorescent bulb fixture. And I've got 2 of the 3200 lumen lights that I'll replace right here. So that's here, here, and here. So once we get all this done, I want to show you how much brighter. See how dark it is over here in the corner. Then it kind of gets a little lighter. I'll show you what it looks like. We are cleaning house. So just you can see the 2 ones I got from Lowe's and put those in. Those really work well. So I want to show you how much lighter this gets over here. So just, all right, the light comes with your 2 hanging chains, 2 S hooks that go on the back of the light, 2 hooks that go up in the ceiling. I've already got 2 hooks already installed because I'm taking out a light. I'm just going to rehang it back there. And I also got some drywall anchors. So let's get this thing hung up real quick. All right, get your chains hooked in the holes here. Got your S hook that goes on the back side down here at the other chain. So we'll get these things hung up real quick. Show you how bright. All right, the darkness has fallen upon us, but let there be light. Whoa. This is the 5000, 3200, and a 3200. And I mean, it lights it up so much better. So much better. And I've got one left. Yes, I do. I gotta get all that trash burnt tomorrow when I get off work. But right there. So if y'all want some inexpensive lights, $21.96, $16.96, or $16.97 for the 3200. I mean, these are decent little shop lights right here. Yes, they are. And the Mr. Incandescent over there. Yeah, I'm an energy hog. Look at that. Look at him. The 60 watt shining bright. But, all right.
Secret stuff awaits for future videos.
All right, let me know what you think. Would you try one of these lights in your shop?
Yes.
Who knows? All right. Y'all be good. It's Larry Johnson from the Outdoor Office.
No matter what the season, we got you on our side.
You got that right. Y'all be good.